Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to another tutorial in Java. Today we are going to learn the final keyword in Java. So what is the final keyword in Java? The final keyword in Java is a non-access modifier in Java. If you want to protect your class, variables and functions from further modification, then you can use the final keyword. The final keyword can be used with variables, functions and classes. You can use the final keywords with variables. You can use the final keyword with variables to declare constant whose value cannot be changed after initialization. You can also use the final keyword with the methods. It prevents the methods overriding in Java classes. It prevents the method overriding in subclasses. If we use the final keyword with classes, then it prohibits inheritance, making the class immutable. So let's get started, and let's say I have a variable called user ID and its value is 10, right? Now I can update the value of user ID to 11. So I created a variable called user ID, initialized with the 10, and I changed the value of the variable to 11, and now I am running it. So it printed the value 11. If you don't want the value of this variable to change after initialization, then you can use the final keyword with this variable, and now you can see the final local variable user ID is it is saying that final local variable user ID cannot be assigned. It must be blank, not using a compound assignment. Since we have assigned the value here, we cannot change the value here. This way it prevents the reinitialization of the variable. So this is the use of final keyword to make the variable constant in Java. Now let's see how we can make a class. Now we are going to make a class. I am making a class greet and writing a method public void say hello. It is simply printing the message here, hello from greet dot say hello. Now I can create the object of greet class. And call the method greet dot say hello. So it is printing the say hello method. So I am making another method. So I am able to call these two methods. Let's make a new class. So I am able to use these call these methods, and which is calling the method in the parent class. Now I want to override this method into the this class. Now run this, and now the message is from custom greet class. So here everything is okay. We are able to inherit the greet class and also inherit the say hello method. So I don't want this method to be re-implemented by any of the class. So I will put a keyword final. So final keyword is going to make this method final, and it cannot be overwritten. So you can see here cannot override the final method from greet class. So this way we are preventing the say hello method to be extended in any other class or re-implemented in any other class. So this is the use of final keyword to with the method. So here it cannot be re-implemented, right? So if I comment, then this class is fine, and now if I run this code, then it is going to call the say hello method in this greet class. So this was the example of so this is the example of using the final keyword with the methods. Now if I make this class final, then see this we cannot extend this class here anymore. The type custom greet cannot subclass the final class greet. So this is a final class. No one can extend this class and modify the logic written in this class. So this way you are stopping the inheritance and making this class final one, and no one can create the object of, no one can extend this class anymore. So let me comment this, and now we don't have any class custom greet here, so it is giving error. Uncommented the class, and if I remove the extend method, so this class is now, we can create the class object here, and there is no method say country. So now these two classes are separate class, and we are not able to do extend the class because we use the final keyword with this class. So this way you can use the final keyword in Java with variables, functions, and classes. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.